Well, I'm starting off my day putting this bolt back in my log table. I installed this thing with it kind of up, tilted, and it just gets so much stuff pounding down on it that it loosened up this bolt. It needs to be installed in the down position. That way it doesn't have anywhere to go. So I just got to put this bolt back in because it kind of worked its way loose here. So I'm going to get on that right now. Alright now everybody, once again, thanks for watching. This is just kind of a shoot of my day today. I started off in the garage there, fixing up my log splitter before I used it. And now we're going to get an example of my He-Man strength. We have this log pile, and as I told you in the previous videos, I need to save that cherry for the guy at the tree service. He may need that, maybe not, but so I need to get this maple off of here because the back of that pile is about to avalanche on me, and it's all cherry back there, so I can't really do much more on the back side of this pile, and I just need to kind of throw some of these logs off. And now you can see how heavy they are, but I thought I'd just kind of start this little section off just showing me flipping these logs off of this pile here. It's quite a nice pile, and I pretty much nailed it. I flipped off just enough logs to fill up my truck there, and I grabbed a couple little pieces off the ground too that were just a couple smaller logs that needed to be bucked up, only like one or two, and it was just about perfect. So it's kind of amazing how much wood is in that pile now. There's probably 20 truckloads of wood or more, but it only takes about 4 of those logs to fill up a truck, and I was kind of surprised. I think it usually takes, when I go to the tree service, usually I can put 30 or 40 rounds in my truck, but about 4 of those logs is about all it takes. So I'll let you all enjoy this footage. I'm just going to kind of flip these over, then get on to bucking them up and splitting them up in the truck here. It was a nice, beautiful morning, and I got some beautiful wood. Don't forget to give me a like and a subscribe, please, good buddy. Alright, now this log here is really heavy, so I just ended up taking my chainsaw over when it was standing up there and cut it up over my head there. I cut off that double end and got a couple pieces off of it, and I didn't even bother moving the rest because I had a full truckload. So I do that here in a minute. I'm not sure if I recorded it though. And moving right along, the next step is to get this stuff bucked up, so I got a little footage of that. Alright, I just wanted to get a little footage of me fucking this up here. I'm going to get on to splitting this stuff now and see how much we got. Well, now, I hope you enjoyed that little high-speed footage of me filling up my truck. It wasn't anything crazy to see. It was pretty much some straight-grain maple, and I just loaded the truck. There was maple and locust in there. So now I'm going to show this stump that I split up. That's a locust stump, and it is heavy, but it is a weird piece, and I thought y'all might enjoy watching me split this up. I went ahead and picked this up and split it. It's not perfect. It's about 12 inches tall, so it makes some decent firewood, but on the short side it does have a few short pieces, and that's just going to go to the stove wood section. So I went ahead and took this. It helps the tree surface to get rid of this stuff. Somebody's got to pick it up and move this damn thing, so I just went ahead and did this. It makes some decent firewood for most of it, but some of it is a little bit short, so I will have to put that in the stove wood section. Okay, everybody, I've been hard at it here, splitting all that wood. I hope you enjoyed that. I about got a full truckload. Now I'm just going to buck up this, the last of that maple log. I pulled it down off of there, and it's got some big knobs sticking off. I'll have to try to fight that with my saw a little bit, but I'm just going to go ahead and buck that up and split that and call it a day, I think. But you can see my load I got here in the truck. It's looking pretty good. Now this front row is a little bit shorter stuff, but I mean that is just hot burning locust. That was from that big stump, so that's some good hot burning wood. And I'm just going to finish off this load here and call it a morning. So I wanted to just check in with y'all. Hopefully that sun's not too bad. I'm trying to find a spot out of the sun, but I'll see you guys later. Have a good day, and don't forget to like and subscribe.